Hello students, welcome back to the class. So today we will see what is the science behind the tooth decay. So tooth decay, it's a very common problem in the children as well as in adults also. So scientifically, what is the reason behind the tooth decay? So here is the structure of the tooth. Okay. So the outermost layer of the tooth, this layer, outermost layer of the tooth, this layer is called enamel. Okay, and then after the enamel actually, this enamel is the hardest substance in our body. It is the hardest substance in our body, and enamel is made up of calcium phosphate. Made up of calcium phosphate. Formula is Ca3PO4 whole twice, calcium phosphate, and yes, it is the hardest substance present in our human body. After enamel, then the next is the dentine. Next is the dentine, and after dentine, pulp is there. Okay. So what is the reason behind the tooth decay? So actually what happened in our mouth? In our mouth, saliva is present, and this saliva is alkaline in nature. It is alkaline in nature. Fine. So what happens when we intake any food material, when we intake food or when we intake any sweet? Okay. So what happens? Some of the food particles remain adhere to in between the gap of the tooth. Okay. So this food particles remain in between this cavity or in between the gap of the tooth. So what happens when these food particles are present? So on these food particles, what bacteria present in our body attack? Okay, bacteria present in our body attacks on the food particle. So during this reaction between the bacteria and the food particle, during this time, acid is released in our mouth. Okay? Acid is released in our mouth. So what I told you, that in our mouth the medium is alkaline. But what happened with the attack of this bacteria on the food particle, acid is released. So that is why, so the medium of the mouth now slowly and slowly it becomes acidic. And now the medium of the mouth slowly it becomes acidic. And when the pH of this acidic medium is goes below 5.5, when the pH goes below 5.5, it means more acidic. Our mouth has become more acidic. So in this acid, enamel starts dissolving. Enamel starts dissolving. So from here, enamels dissolve slowly and slowly. This enamel starts dissolving due to the action of what? Bacteria. Enamel dissolves. And after enamel, what now? When it is dissolved from here, then this portion is exposed, dentine and all this. So here the nerves are present, blood capillaries are present, nerves are present. So because of the dissolution of the enamel, and after the enamel, dentine and the pulp portion is exposed, then after this, when the dentine and pulp portion is exposed, then what happened? Then you get the sensation of hot or cold. Then you get the sensation of hot or cold. And this is what, at this stage, what? Tooth decay. ठीक है, tooth decay. It is due to the tooth decay. So to avoid this tooth decay, what is the reason to avoid the tooth decay? That the presence of the acid. This is the reason for the dissolution of the enamel. So we have to remove this acidic medium. Okay, we have to remove this acidic medium. That is why you have to select the toothpaste. You have to select the toothpaste having alkaline medium. Having alkaline medium, or you rinse your mouth frequently with water or salt, so that this acid, excess of acid present in the mouth, is neutralized by the alkali present in the toothpaste. So in this way, toothpaste helps in what? Removal of the acid and prevents tooth from tooth decay. So that is why it is said that ki salt must be present in toothpaste. It is said that कि क्या आपके टूथपेस्ट में नमक है. The reason is this: salt present in the toothpaste makes the medium alkaline, and this alkaline medium removes the acid produced in the mouth, and hence we can prevent the dissolution of enamel in the acid, and in this way we can prevent the tooth decay. So thank you so much.